How to log in into the Equifax account. Hello everyone and let's get started. Equifax is three of the largest customer credit reporting agency in United States. Now if you want to log into it, the steps are quite easy. Either you can directly search for Equifax login portal and get the first link, or if you cannot find it this way, navigate to the www.equifax.com and access the login page from the top right corner. Then after you can choose the different type of accounts if you want. And then you have to give in your login credentials. It includes your email address and password. In case of any confusion, you need to click on need help and this way you can recover your account. This requires your SSN, your date of birth, first name, last name, mobile address and email address. Once this is verified, you can set up a new password to get logged in for the account recovery. After that, you just have to tap on sign into my Equifax and then you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.